If you could finish your academic writing or literature review in half the time with perfect citation, automatic summaries, and AI-powered editing, would you do it? Because that's exactly what I'm about to show you. Today, we are reviewing one of the unique features in an AI platform built specifically for researchers, academics, scientists, and students who need accurate reference-based writing. So by the end of this video, you will know how exactly to use AnswerThis to research faster, write better, and take your academic productivity to the next level. Let's dive in. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. The name is Dr. Banda Khalifa. On this channel, we talk about how you can engineer your success, whether it's getting into graduate school, accelerating your career, owning your leadership journey, or boosting your productivity. If you're driven and ready to level up, you are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss any of our future videos. Now let's explore how AnswerThis can transform the way you write. So what exactly is AnswerThis? AnswerThis is an AI-powered research platform designed to help you write academic papers, literature reviews, and research summaries faster while staying accurate and properly cited. It brings together everything a researcher needs: writing, editing, citation management, and academic search, all in one clean, intelligent workspace. Today, we'll focus on its most important feature, the AI writer. So when you log into AnswerThis, you head to the left-hand sidebar and then click on AI writer. So you can see there are a couple of buttons here, but today we are interested in how to use the AI writer. So you click on the AI writer. Once you click it, you will see all your documents that you've been working on, last updated dates, and visibility status, right? If this is your first time, this page would be blank, and then you can simply click add the new document to start working on. So for the purpose of this exercise or demonstration, we are going to create a new document. So you create a new document here. Let's say we call this COVID-19 vaccines. And then for the description, we'll write effectiveness of COVID-19 mRNA vaccine. Right, so the good thing is that this can be any topic at all that you're interested in. So we click create new document. So now our new document has been created or is in the process of developing. So now that we are in the AI editor, I want to show you a couple of powerful features. The real power of AnswerThis, the AI writer in AnswerThis, is the right hand sidebar. Right, as you can see here, at the bottom of it is your document. This is where you can easily switch between different files. Above that is your settings, where you can edit your title, update your description, and make your documents public to share with collaborators. Then there is help and guide that also help provide quick tips if you need help navigating. One of the most powerful features here is search papers, where you can literally put in some papers that you're looking for depending on the topic. So for example, let's say I'm writing a paper on COVID-19 vaccines and I want to search for papers. I'll literally write, let's say, COVID-19 vaccines, and then instantly AnswerThis will bring up a list of academic papers, including their titles, abstract, journal quality, and citation count. If you want to even cite one of the papers, all you would do is to add citation, and boom, it automatically inserts into any reference at the bottom of the document that you're working on. No manual formatting, no citation errors. It's that simple. And if you find a great paper that you want to keep for later, you can even save it in your library. The next tab here is the library. So in the library section, you can manage multiple research libraries inside AnswerThis. For example, you can have one for your thesis, one for your teaching material, and one for consulting projects. You can export data, change citation style, and keep everything perfectly organized. Now, the next three tabs on the right sidebar is really where the AI writer shines. The AI edits the full outline to answer and the generate outline. We'll come back to this and explore it in detail. So as you navigate to the upper toolbar, you can see that it works just like Word document, right? You can bolden a sentence or a word, you can italize, you can underline or cancel based on your preference. You can also insert images, insert table, bullet points, numbered list, add the link, making it perfect for literature reviews or research reports. When collaborating with others, you can simply invite them by clicking on the share button, put in their emails, and then boom, they join you in writing that particular document. Afterwards, you can export the document as PDF or save it in your library that you can work on it later. At the same time, based on your preference, you can even change the citation style to APA, MLA, Chicago, or Harvard. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through how to actually use AnswerThis from scratch. So let's say I have an assignment to maybe write a paper on COVID-19 vaccines, specifically the effectiveness of the mRNA vaccine. What I would do is head to AI Writer, add the new document because it's a new assignment. I'll write the title, COVID-19 vaccines, and then the description is effectiveness of mRNA vaccines. I'll create a new document. Then what I can do is first generate an outline. As you can see the outline button here, we will generate an outline. Let's add more detail, add more description, say effectiveness of COVID-19 mRNA vaccines. Number of headings, let's keep it at 2. Subheadings per heading, we'll keep it at 2. We can configure our sources, minimum citations, we can go all the way to 20. Let's say for the purpose of this assignment, we need a minimum of 10 citations. We can choose the database that we need our citations to come from. Let's add PubMed here. Journal quality all round. You can even add the start date to end date, but for this exercise, we will leave the dates. So then we'll click generate outline, and then we would get an outline of the paper that we are trying to write. So we'll wait a couple of seconds, probably a few minutes, for it to generate the content and the citations and all the materials that we need to proceed. So as you can see, this is an almost complete document, right? For the purposes of this assignment or for the purposes of this paper that we are writing. So, we can literally change our citation style. Let's say we want APA, we click on APA, and then all of a sudden the citation style changes to APA, right? Let's say we want to rephrase this statement, we'll highlight it and click rephrase. And then within a couple of seconds, rephrases it. You can read. If you like it, you accept. If you don't like it, you can reverse to the original. So yeah, this is how the AI writer AnswerThis works, and I think it's pretty fascinating. Once you're done and you want to share, you can open this, invite people to collaborate on the paper. Let's say it's a class assignment, invite people to collaborate on the paper. You can export it. So let's say I want to export this as PDF. You export it as PDF, and then let's say you want to open, right? So this is the PDF version. Obviously, I would say that it's better for you to actually download it, or it's better for you to copy it and paste it in Word and have the time to go through each of the citations, verify your sources, verify the data before you would convert to PDF yourself. So this is pretty useful if you are stuck, you want an outline, or you really want a content for your outline, or you want to even add papers based on this particular topic. Yeah, so now that we have our full document, there are a couple of things you can do in this document that's I initially stated. So the AI edit is here. You can click on AI edit. Any text you select will be displayed in the selected text previews section, and this text you can literally reword it, you can summarize it, you can generate questions based on this particular sentence that you've selected. So let's imagine for ones that these sentences are too long, we want to summarize it. So let's click on summarize and see what we get. So we generate, and then within a couple of seconds we should have a summarized version of this particular sentence. Okay, so as you can see, it gives us a different version of it. We can apply changes, and then boom, it provides and inserts that into our original sentence. And that's a walkthrough of an AI writer in AnswerThis, from writing and editing to citation management and outlining. This tool can completely transform the way you do your research or do your academic writing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with other colleagues or fellow researchers. If you are interested in exploring this feature more, use the promo code BANDA12 to get 10% off your initial subscription. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.